How to remove mentions on Instagram story after posting it. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can delete the name of the person on your mentions after posting it to your story. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app and get logged into your Instagram account. Now let's go ahead and tap onto your story. As you can see that this person's name is being mentioned in my story. If you tap onto more option, it will only say delete, save, or share this as a post. So there is no way you can remove the name of the person after you have posted it to your story. However, you can delete this post overall and add it again to your story. Or you can also mention their name in a very small letter just so that people won't be able to notice that. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.